This lesson was created by Lauren Rogowski in Education 240-003. It is entitled Abe Lincoln and focuses on Standard 2.4-C from the Virginia Standards of Learning for Second Grade History and Social Studies. The learning objective is students will be able to demonstrate their knowledge of biographical information and importance of Abraham Lincoln in the history of the United States of America by taking a Socrative quiz individually and scoring an 80% or higher. In order to set up the quiz, go to Socrative.com and select Teacher Login. If it does not immediately pop up on the screen and log you in, use the login information left on the sticky note on the laptop in the room. Select Launch if it's not already up, and then Quiz. Click Abraham Lincoln Quiz, and Next. Select Open Navigation and Show Final Score so that the students can see their answers at the end of the quiz. And select Start. After setting up the quiz, instruct students to also go to Socrative.com. However, they will select Student Login. It will instruct them to type in a room name. This will be Rogowski, my last name, and 1418, and then join. Then they must enter their name. So I would type in Rogowski, Lauren, and done. The students can then complete the quiz, and when they are finished, select Finish Quiz. Socrative will tell them their score and their percentage, and then they can select OK. When students are all finished the quiz, Teacher, you select Finish on your screen. Select Get Reports and Individual Students PDF as well as Student-Specific PDF. Then select Download. It may bring you back to this page to log back in. Just go ahead and use your login information again to log in. Then select Reports. You will then have to select Abraham Lincoln Quiz and Get Reports. Then Individual Students PDF and Student-Specific PDF. At this point, turn off the screen so that students may not see the results from the class. Select Download. The scores will download onto your computer, and you will select this Excel document. On this document, you will be able to view each student's individual scores as well as their answers, and class scores as a whole for each individual question. By selecting the questions download, you can view each question and the answers and how many students selected each individual answer. This can help weed out any outliers or bad questions that might need to be thrown out from the quiz. The teacher can then use this information provided from the quiz to assess the students if they truly understand Abraham Lincoln and his impact on the United States of America.